Welcome back, everyone. You're watching Yahoo Finance Live. We want to take a look at some of today's market movers, starting with Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol J&J. We got it loaded up here on the screen for you. The company out with a beat on the top and bottom line while also boosting its full year 2023 guidance. We've got Yahoo Finance's Anjalee Khemlani joining us here to discuss. Anjalee, shares actually down on the report here today. What's taking place?
Well, there was a lot discussed, and as you can imagine, the company does have a few little blips on the radar, most notably the talc case, starting off there with the additional $6.9 billion that the company is putting into what it hopes will be the agreement for the settlement with the plaintiffs through its bankruptcy and reorganization procedure. They're expecting that to hit around mid-May, or at least move forward around then. So that's the loss that was reported. Meanwhile, they do have also Stelara, one of their older drugs that is going to be facing competition soon, facing some questions about whether or not the company is looking into M&A activity to help boost its pipeline. CFO Joe Woke said that their eyes are always open, but as of right now, the company is sitting on a decent amount of cash and can pretty much, quote, do whatever it wants. So those are some of the questions that the company faced from investors. Meanwhile, as you mentioned, strong outlook for the company, significant boost from the med tech side with the pickup of procedures in hospitals around the world as the pandemic has been easing. They've seen that pickup. It's also been one of the stronger quarters for that segment. Typically, you've seen the consumer business sort of buoy any losses on the med tech side, but that consumer business, as we note, is the one that's being spinned off into Kenvue sometime this year. So that's also something the company is dealing with. Important to note that the talc case is not going to follow into that consumer business, but as it stands right now, just a lot going on with the pipeline. And importantly, some of the strong points on the pharma side, specifically from newer cancer treatments and multiple myeloma drug Darzalex. That's where the strength for the company is coming from today.
All right, thanks, Anjalee.